There's nothing like the unconditional love of a pet. They show you affection, give you a sense of purpose, and greet you every day when you come home. Animals have come to mean so much in our lives. We live in a fragmented and disconnected culture. Politics are ugly, religion is struggling, technology is stressful, and economy is unfortunate. What's one thing that we have in our lives that we can depend on? A dog or a cat loving us unconditionally every day, very faithfully. So, this class is specially designed for animal lovers.
Hello friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I'm from India and this is my pet Toto. So he's also saying hi and he's really very excited to be on the camera. So many of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. So this time I have brought for you guys, especially the animal lovers, the cat painting. As most of you have seen me on my Instagram, I have been already uploading pictures of it. So this time, especially for the animal lovers, this painting is for you. This is the complete painting which I will be teaching. Everything from the background details, from the fur layering, the glazing, the eye technique, everything I will be teaching from scratch, real time. And also how to protect your painting by doing varnishing, how to frame it. Everything will be in this course. So I hope you guys will enjoy doing this painting, and do share your reviews and project works if you are really animal lovers. And without wasting our time, let's start with the painting.